Are you looking for a reliable way to import your Outlook OST files directly into your Hotmail/Outlook.com account? Welcome to WholeClear OST to Hotmail Converter. You can seamlessly transfer your OST data to Outlook.com without any risk of data loss. This powerful tool ensures quick, secure, and complete OST migration while keeping all your mail elements safe. Why choose WholeClear OST to Hotmail Importer? Convert OST to Outlook.com directly. No complex steps, just a smooth migration. Verified and risk-free solution. Ensures data safety throughout the process. Complete OST data conversion. Emails, contacts, calendars, attachments, and more. Preserves data integrity. Keeps the original structure and properties intact. Simple steps to import OST into Outlook.com. Step 1. Install the software. Download and install WholeClear OST to Hotmail Converter on your Windows PC. Step 2. Select OST file. Browse and add your OST file or folder from the system. Step 3. Choose Export option. Select Export to Hotmail account and click Next. Step 4. Authenticate. Provide your Outlook.com/Hotmail username and password. Then click Authenticate User. Step 5. Select Destination folder. Choose an existing folder or create a new one in your Hotmail account. Step 6. Start migration. Click on Upload Now to begin the process. Within minutes, your OST files will be successfully migrated and accessible in your Hotmail/Outlook.com account anytime, anywhere. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.